Hello everyone, so welcome to my kitchen. I wanted to show you today how I make my favorite dish, ЦУЙВАN. ЦУЙВАN is a Mongolian famous dish that is freshly made noodles, a lot of vegetables and some meat. So it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to make, and along the way you could be preparing the dish, so all in total it should take you no longer than 20 to 30 minutes. So it's one of my favorite dishes and I've had a lot of people who asked me how to make it, so I put this video together. Maybe you could follow along and let me know how you get along. So enjoy! What we'll need is a peeler. So I'm going to go ahead and start peeling our vegetables. So now we're going to wash the vegetables. It's good to make sure that all your vegetables are clean, because you never know what's on there. So now I'm going to start chopping my vegetables. To get some water. I would say this is about 250 mils of water. What we want to do is make a little round hole like this in the middle, and what we do is we just pour it in, and we want to make quite a soft, not too tough, but quite soft, so you definitely need 250 milligrams of water. I'm just going to put this in straight, and it can be a bit messy, but you can, if you go slowly, then it's not too messy. So I like to make the dough quite early so that it can rest and be very in good shape for when you're about to roll it out to noodles. Look so weird. Sorry for the clunking noises, but it's because I have a wooden table. So if you need more water, I like to use boiled water just to make sure that it's clean water, but it can be anything. It doesn't matter on what the temperature is. So that's a bit. Now I've probably added about 300 milligrams of water. And for about 500 grams of flour, I would say like 600 is probably a good amount of water to have. So unlike other Mongolian noodle dishes, ЦУЙВАN, you want the noodles to be quite, at least the texture of the dough to be quite soft, or else your noodle dish will be very dry, and nobody likes a dry ЦУЙВАN. maybe cover it up with something, so I'm just going to use my towel here and put it aside. Now we're going to continue with the cutting phase. That sounds really severe, but what I mean is cutting vegetables. So the shape doesn't really matter. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add the onions. I'm going to leave go ahead and put in the meat. I'm just going to add in the carrots and potatoes because they take the longest to cook. Okay, so now that the dough is all rested, I'm just going to knead it a little bit more. So you really want to get that baby's ass texture in your dough. Okay, I'm quite happy with the thickness here. So I'm just going to lay it on a piece of like somewhat clean for it to dry for a bit. So I really like to use sea salt for cooking. So I'm now going to go ahead and add in the mushrooms. Maybe about 100 milliliters of water and let that sit for about 5 minutes. Sunflower oil out. And to make the noodles, you want to spread it across like this. You just want to get this and just add it alongside like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and add in the onions because I think it adds a nice texture and really nice taste to everything. So now I'm just gonna close it. It's important to close the bowl because or else your noodles will not cook. And we'll give it about 10 to 15 minutes, and in that time it should be done. I would say in 15 minutes it will definitely be done. And you want to keep hearing it because if you hear that there's no more water, then you should definitely go in and add some water. So now it's been 15 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and get the noodles out. So now it's all cooked and we're just about to open it up. So make sure you step away because a lot of steam will come out. And what you want to do is you want to get a fork and you want to just start separating the noodles one by one like this. A fork is really good because you can kind of get in between all of them and just start separating the noodles. So this part is quite easy. All you have to do is just shake it, stick it and shake it. That sounds weird, but you know what I mean. So as you can see, you will have noodles like this. It's great. It's all quite moist and you'll see that the vegetables, the taste of the vegetables and everything will be made together. So